How to make a logo on Canva. Hi guys, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video, I will show you how you guys can create a logo on Canva. Firstly, come on to canva.com, simply log in or sign up. I'm gonna log in, and then once you guys have logged in, you guys are gonna see this particular dashboard. So when you guys see this particular dashboard, from over here, you guys can see the option to start creating a logo from scratch. If you guys were to click on that, that's gonna take you guys over to this particular page, and you guys can simply start creating a logo from scratch from over here by using Canva's elements, different graphics. You guys can also upload your own pictures, and you guys can do whatever you want. You guys can also choose from various different logo templates by clicking on templates at the top left, and over here you guys have so many different templates come up. You guys can simply drag and drop any template, and then as soon as you guys drag and drop any template, you can just simply double click anywhere on the text, on the image, or wherever else, and you guys are gonna simply be able to customize it to whatever you want. And over here, as you guys can see, that I am simply double clicking and I am putting in text, and if I were to click on the background, I can simply change the color as well. So that is how you guys can quickly create logos on Canva. And again, they have hundreds and hundreds of different templates that you guys can choose from. Also, another quick way to basically just see all the templates at first glance is to click on the search bar and then just simply type in logo over here. As soon as you type in logo and press search, that's gonna take you guys over to this page, and over here you guys can see all of the templates and all of the logo features that are there. So that is how you guys can create logos on Canva. If this video helped you guys out, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, take care, till next time, and goodbye.